Hey everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Cargo Barricade from Tusk for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. So if you own a Can-Am Maverick X3, a great accessory to have is this Cargo Barricade. It does two important things. One, it increases your bed space a little bit, but it also encloses the bed. So when you have your cargo inside here, it just gives some added security. Not only that, but there's a lot of cutouts on here, so you've got plenty of attachment points. This is made from laser cut powder coated steel, has a nice aggressive look to it. I think it just looks awesome on the back of the machine, and it's easy to install. All the hardware comes included, comes with instructions. It's not gonna take you very long. So again, when it comes to the Can-Am X3, if you're trying to maximize your bed space, get more security back there and more tie-down attachment points, awesome accessory to have. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab yours, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're picking up the Cargo Barricade, these are machine specific, so just enter the year, make, and the model of the machine you have, and you're going to be good to go. Orders over $75 ship free. If you like this little spotlight, make sure to get subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. That way you're always updated and notified when we have the latest and greatest from Tusk products coming out. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.